doing. This is Tinubu that just released his own brother, okay, and now playing pranks on Masna Maracano, and Igbo people are folding hand, gossiping from here to there. Oh gosh.
Fought for democracy and freedom. Longer, Nnamdi Kanu remain in prison. The more the cause he is fighting is being flourished by his own detention. Tinubu is a president that came from the trenches. He's one of those who fought for democracy and freedom. And I believe, if not for the fact that he went to exile, he would have ended up in prison with us in the 90s. Then someone of his own stature cannot be lectured about democracy or human rights, because we are all in the trenches fighting. So my expectation is that the problem cannot be solved by keeping the leader of the struggle perpetually in prison. You don't solve the problem. You can only solve the problem if you discuss the problem.
That is Sheikh Husani, the former senator. So that's what he said. Anyway, I'm trying to come to an end of this video because we just want to do this reaction. We have video of Biafrans voting massively for Biafran self-referendum, and I shared some with us before, and I have this one as well from PM.
Make sure we are here to vote. We are here to vote to make sure we exit Nigeria in this time. And we are here, you can see the voters card here. Everyone have already collected the voters card. As you can see here now, you can see them with their voters card ready to cast out Nigeria from the Biafra land. And we are here today to vote to make sure the 2nd December is sacrosanct. And we are here today as the Biafrans. We are eager and quest to restore our nation, Biafrans. And today, we make sure Biafrans are here to vote in mass. You can see them. You can see them in mass.
Excellent, what you can see you.
Today is our day to make sure we exist in Nigeria. And also, Nigerians are killing us. The reason why we are voting out Nigeria here is to go. And Nigeria here are killing us. They are killing us in mass. No anything. There is starvation. They are starving all Biafrans. They don't want Biafrans to talk. They don't want Biafrans to live. They disorganize all Biafra land. And they are using our resources to build Nigerians. Okay, what can you tell us as today's vote?
Yes, today's referendum of the foundation is decisive. It is final. After today, we will make a final goodbye to the sea called Nigeria. That is why we have gathered here in our numbers to cast our votes to the nation of Biafra, so that come December 2nd, 2024, is sacrosanct. There's no going back.
Okay, what are you telling us today? What are you telling us?
I am the INEC returning officer. I will make sure that I return the proper result that we got from the voters of the exit of Nigeria. That we don't want Nigeria again. Please, I am here to command the.
So that is a video for PM, about self-referendum and how it is going. So guys, we are going to end it now. Thank you so much for your time in this short live stream that we had for something minutes.